Karnataka Excise Minister K. Gopalaya said there will be no sale of liquor across the state during weekend curfew which came into effect from Friday 8 pm. Speaking to the reporters, Gopalaya said it has been decided that there will not be any sale of liquor during the weekend curfew. I have directed the officials to issue an order to this effect. He said there is a spike in cases in the state, especially in Bengaluru. Hence, it has been decided not to open the liquor shops. He said only a set of activities is permitted, including essential and medical services, and the police would not issue any passes for people to travel within the city.